Hello?
Hey Saskia, how's it going? Um,
Good and you?
Good. Just one second. I'm trying to find my headphones.
How did you say?
I'm trying to find my headphones.
Ah, okay. Let me try. I don't see mine as well. Hold on. I have talked to Daniel today. I have tried to call him. He said, I think he said, I'm sorry, because of his work, sometimes he get off too late, so he cannot meet
Mhm.
with us. But he will try for the rest of the week to make sure that he can, as at least we can meet all together. I say okay, because I had text him I think last week, and I said we didn't hear from him. We don't have any news, anything from him. So he said yes. He's sorry to not be able to participate, but he get off too late. Like sometimes he came back home around 10 or 11, so he doesn't want us to wait for him. And he said, okay, but that would be better if he tried to communicate with us. So we will try to help him if he needs more explanation, something like that. So he said, okay. So he will try to meet us for I think for the second meeting, maybe on Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know. So maybe he will text us and we will see what happens.
Okay, cool. Um, do you know, is John going to be here tonight?
Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to reach him. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Here we come. Less than 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay, cool.
Oh, okay.
Should we wait for him or should we get going?
He's coming. He's coming now.
Okay. So, did you see that there's a project that we all have to do?
What did you say?
Did you see that there's a project that we all have to do?
No. When?
So it's from now until the end of the semester.
Okay, I will see. Because today I just try to do the quiz only. I got a like a the doctor appointment for the kids, so I didn't have to do nothing until just to read the quiz and trying to do it. No, I don't. I didn't know. I will do it after.
Cool. Um, yeah, so the project that we have,
Okay.
basically, if you look on your iLearn on the contents page for this chapter for this week, um, it's the very last things on like this lesson.
It is
So like,
the semester.
so if you just go to like this week and the stuff that we're supposed to do this week, then
Mhm.
it's under that.
Oh, let me see. Let me take the week nine, week nine, week nine. Mm, I didn't pay attention at this. Okay, week nine. We got homework. It is a design study.
Yeah, so that was the first part of it. but then we also have to do all the other parts.
Oh, qualities, you know now.
So yeah, the design the study part is due this week,
Also,
and I can do that if
it will end next week.
what's that?
I think it will end on November 18th.
Wait a second, let me see.
I think. These are the study instruction. Yeah. They said these are the study self-report quiz. Ends on November 18th.
Um,
So it means that
oh,
we should do it by ourselves or as a team.
so the whole entire project is as a team, but there are
Okay.
individual parts that we have to do. So like one of us has to design the study, and
Okay.
then if you click on design the study instructions,
Okay.
and then you click on final project overview page,
Overview page. Okay.
um, so it talks about what's required.
Okay.
So
Design the study, collect and describe the data. Nice. Oh, make interference. They have a lot of due dates.
yeah, and it says that design the study is due
This
uh,
week.
yeah, this week on Saturday.
Ah, whew.
So I'm fine to do
Okay.
that. I can do that no problem. Um,
Okay.
but we need to decide um, either tonight or at our next meeting who's going to collect and describe the data, who's going to make inferences, and who's going to take action, and who's going
Okay.
to make the PowerPoint presentation.
I'm not good at PowerPoint.
Okay. Um, I can
I
probably
can
do.
help, like as we can build together, but I don't really I'm not really comfortable, like putting the slides. I know I can do it, but not for me. It's not really something professional.
Yeah.
You know.
Uh huh.
Mhm.
Yeah, I can do the PowerPoint as well. That's totally
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
Um,
So I think we in our next meeting we can decide, because that would be good as well as is included, is involved in our meeting.
yeah.
Yeah. Him
Yeah. So
again tonight and let them know to take a look to the final project, so we
yeah.
can be able to meet together with us.
Yeah. I sent a text out saying that we had a final project.
Okay.
So yeah. But yeah, we need to get all four of us together so that we can decide who's going to do what.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But anyway, yeah. So I suppose that can be on Wednesday when we do that, which is tomorrow. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Do you want to get started looking over the quiz, or do you wanna wait for John?
John is here.
Oh, okay.
I just wake him up, so he's like a little sleepy.
Okay.
And after maybe 1 hour later, you will head to work. Are you done? Are you okay? It's trying. Okay. We can. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Are you ready? I think he tried to reach our meeting.
Oh, do I need to invite him again?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Are you done, John? Mm. Did you invite him?
I did.
Okay.
Should I?
I don't know. Should we do it again? Eso mucho de nada. Ligue por ali no outro. Hello. He said hello. Did you reach him?
Hey there.
Let me go to my. What hours? Okay, my meeting. Where's my pen? Okay. Hello. Okay. I think he's here as well, right? Are you there, John? You want there? Yeah. Mm.
All right.
I'm
Cool.
sorry.
Looks like. Oh, no worries.
Hey, Ethan, are you
So,
okay?
what's that?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Uh, Try to keep it up.
All right. Cool. Sounds good. So, should we look over the quiz?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Okay.
Um. So neither of you guys have done it yet, right?
I have done some. Let me tell you what I've done, but I got a question I don't really understand. I know for the
Okay.
first it's one so true. Okay. The question three. In a pie chart, why are the slice sectors different sizes? For me, I choose the third definition. Like each slice
The third
represents
one.
a category.
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
Okay, and the area of each slice. Okay. So question 4. How are bar shorts and Pareto shorts related? So I choose the third one. Like the only difference between a bar chart is that the where did I put it? Hi, computer. Yes, I choose the third one.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's correct as well.
okay. So question 5. Is P the true proportion or the simple proportion? So I choose the simple proportion.
No, so P is the true proportion. P with the little hat on top, it's called P hat. That's the sample proportion.
Oh, the P, like the simple P is the true proportion?
Yeah, so just the regular P is the true
Okay.
proportion.
Oh, okay, okay. I need, okay, P, true proportion. Okay. P with this, simple. Okay. So
So it's kind of
now,
like
hmm?
so it's kind of like just regular P
Mm-hmm.
is like X, and then P hat with that little caret sign on top.
Okay,
That would be like X bar.
okay, okay. Question 6. What is N? The sample size?
Yep.
Yes, the sample size. Okay. Question 7. I don't understand the question 7. How do you do that?
Um. Okay. So with question 7, um, if you go to let me bring up the book real quick.
Okay.
Then I'll go down to the bottom.
Mm-hmm. I have the book open. Where do you want me to go?
Go down to the very bottom. I just
Okay.
want to get it up as well so that I can see it.
Okay. Bless you.
All right. So can you guys see it?
Mm-hmm.
So it is the very bottom one, but above the z. So it says if n times p is greater than or equal to 10, and n
Mm-hmm.
times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10, then you can assume that it's normal.
Mm.
So that's the formula that we're using. So we know that our p is 1/4. So what I did with that was I thought, okay, so what times 1/4 or 0.25 will be equal to or greater than 10? The answer to that was 40, because if you times 40 by 0.25, then you get 10.
Ooh.
And then the opposite side of the equation is you have to do 1 minus 0.25. So 1 minus p, which is 0.25,
Mm-hmm.
is 0.75. And then if you were to do like 0.75 of 40, oh, actually, sorry, that was wrong. 0.75 times 40 30 is bigger than 10. Does that make sense? So you have to, so it's 40 because both of those have to be either equal to 10 or they have to be more than 10. And when you do 40 for that first test, it goes equal to 10. So if it was anything less than 40, then it wouldn't satisfy that requirement.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So yeah, so both ways it has to be at least 10 or bigger.
Oh, it's a simple. Okay. So it will
Yeah.
be 40. Okay. So now, use the following information to answer. What is the mean of P? I put 0.4.
That's right.
Okay. So what is the standard deviation of P? The answer is 0.2.
No, that's not correct.
It is wrong.
Yeah, it should be 0.1.
How do you calculate that?
I will show you.
Because I use the
So you can
formula.
see.
I don't know if the way I do it.
So you can see my calculator, right?
Yes. Do you see?
Okay.
Okay.
So if you look at this formula, or the formula that you used,
Mm-hmm.
the formula to find the standard deviation is the square root
Mm-hmm.
of P. So, oh, I'm not
Wait
used
for
to
me. Wait for
using.
me. Wait. Listen. I think I did it one. I think I yes. I think I did it one. One. Yeah. You know what I did?
Okay. What?
Um. You know when you calculate the standard deviation, I put the square root n as well.
Oh, okay, the square root of
Yes,
n.
yes. In the where n is, I just put square root n.
Okay.
So okay. So I should do the calcul first, and then did the square roots for everything.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I did it one. I did it one. Okay. So I might be. I think my next question as well is wrong because I did this. I do it the same way.
Okay.
So it's 0.1. Okay. So for Brittany's batting average is 0.3. We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at bats and equal blah blah. What is P? P equals 0.3.
Um. So we're actually looking for P hat, the thing with the little thing on top.
Oh,
So P would be 0.3, but P hat is going to be 35. So if you turn that
so
into a
why
decimal,
did
then
they
it's
say that I think the mean P hat equal P?
um. So P is like, or sorry, P hat is like the sample of one test, and P, just regular P, would be the average of like a million tests. So P hat just talks about one test, the average for one test, and then the regular P talks about the average for all the tests.
Oh, I need to understand that. I think I got it confusing. I'm confused with this here. Okay. So I think as well I did the question 11 wrong because I used the square root n as well.
Okay.
So it might be 0.046. Okay.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. So for the z-score, the question 12, what is the z-score? The value will be which which amount, which number?
You mean what's the
I think
answer?
the formula said the z-score will be value minus mean divided by
Oh,
standard
yeah.
deviation.
Okay. So when you're building that formula, um, in this question, it would be it would be 0.35
Okay.
minus 0.3,
Oh, okay.
and then
And
you would divide
divided by
it.
100?
You divide it by the standard deviation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I already find it. Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. So it might be. So that question might be question 12. Might be z score equals 0.35 minus 0.30, 0.046. Okay. Equal 1.047. Okay.
You got 1.087.
87.
Okay, cool.
So what is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at bats? So because we have the Z score, we use the normal plate.
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, so at least maybe okay less. Okay, at least. Okay. Use okay. Obviously at least. So go back for the to the normal probability for me.
Okay.
Oh, so it's like it's greater than.
Yeah, because this line right here is representing 35 at bats. So 35 would be the least. So at least 35 would mean everything from 35 all the way over to the right.
Okay. 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 So if the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is P equals 0.52, and if N equals 2000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the result of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. What is the standard deviation of P? So you say it's 0.011.
And you know how I found that?
No, I mean, the way that I do it first when I put the square, so it's like all my answer gone wrong.
So so what I did to find it was
Mhm.
first I found out like what values I was gonna have to plug into the equation.
Okay.
So I know that the equation is p hat minus p, um, or actually, excuse me.
Now the standard deviation. Now the
Yeah,
standard
sorry, my
deviation
bad.
is square p
Yeah,
um one like times one minus p
yeah,
divided
yeah,
by
that's
n.
correct. I mixed it up, but I know this is right though. This answer is right.
Mhm. Okay.
Um, cool. So you found that answer?
Okay.
Cool.
So what is this call would you use? So what they ask what this code do you use? Do you have a particular, so it might be negative or positive?
Um, so the reason that you're doing negative is because you're trying to see um, less.
Okay, less. Okay.
Hmm.
The fact that it's less. So what is the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing even thought the true p equal 0.52, 1 to 2 3 decimal. It was 0.52, 0.037, 0.037. Once you get a wrong answer, all the rest might be wrong
Yeah.
because yes, because we need to work, yeah, to use all the answer we got. Oh, okay.
Cool. Do you guys have any questions?
I think that's okay. I will try for the I should say for the project. I will try to read it and in our next meeting we can like okay to that dispatch or set everyone give everyone their part so we aim to work on it.
Yeah, and I'm gonna send out an email to everybody.
Okay. Yes, that would be good. No problem.
Cool. All right.
Mm. Okay,
Um,
thank you.
yeah, no
So
problem.
text you tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, we should have another meeting tomorrow
Okay. So
for
we
the
yeah
next
we
lesson.
will have time to talk together.
Yep. All right.
Okay. See you.
Cool.
Bye bye.
Sounds
Thank you.
good.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you guys. Bye,
Okay.
John.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah.